Hello and welcome to my channel, Zen Within Me. Today is Halloween and we are in a waning moon phase. So I thought for my first video it should be appropriate to do a removal spell. So I have my altar here, I have my plate, which has already been cleansed. You can cleanse your items with many different things. Today I've used Florida water to cleanse my plate and my candle. And I've already written a petition on my candle. Now I'm using a black candle because a black candle absorbs negative energy. And since this is a removal spell, that's why I'm using the black candle. Okay, so I already carved the petition into the candle as I just stated. Now I have a few oils I'm going to rub onto this. Okay, I'm going to use lavender, and this is going to help make it calm and cooperative. Okay, I have my lavender. I'm also going to use, okay, a spell breaker oil. This way, if you feel someone may have put a whammy on you, so to speak, which also means bad luck, jealous people, gossiping. Sometimes people just get jealous, they're envious, and so, you know, they put a lot of bad thoughts in your direction. So this is going to help remove that. Then I have Black Destroyer oil, and that's going to just basically destroy everything. All that negativity that people have been sending your way, or one particular person. I don't target any individual people because I believe in karma. Everyone has their own beliefs. I do things for the greater good. So I'm doing this for a friend of mine that has just been having a lot of negativity surrounding them. They're aware of what the problem is, but they're trying to be a good person and do things in a peaceful, harmless way. So I'm doing this to help this person do things in that manner. So that's why I'm leaving this as simple as possible. And then I have this oil I just used, is Cast Off Evil. Okay. And that's it. Like I said, I'm keeping this simple. So now what I'm going to do is just light the bottom a little bit to melt the wax so it'll stick onto the plate. Oop. Let me do that again. That's better. Before I burn my finger, I'll light it again. Okay, now what I do as well, everyone has their own way of doing their rituals. This is what works for me, and this is what makes me feel good with what I'm doing. Okay, so I say 3 prayers. I say the Our Father, the Hail Mary, and the Glory be to the Father, because I'm not doing anything bad. I'm just helping this person remove negative energy from themselves, from their surroundings, in a peaceful, no harm come to anyone kind of way. So therefore I'm not putting anything negative out, so we will not be getting anything negative back, and that is the best way to do things, because you don't want to harm anybody, and you do want to keep things peaceful and civilized, because we should all be civilized. Okay, so I say my prayers. My petition is on the candle. So please God, guardians and angels and ancestors, help this person with the issues that they have, so that they and the people around them can have a more peaceful, non-negative life, and they can move on happily. All right, there we go. And that is it. A nice, simple removal of negativity spell on Halloween. You can check out my website at zenwithinme.com for spells, products, so on and so forth. This will be the first video of many to come. And happy Halloween. Good luck with all your spells. And remember, don't harm anyone and they won't harm you, okay? Take care.